at Southern Kitchen, and I'm Patty. Today we're going to be making a sloppy joe, but it's not your normal sloppy joe. These are called French onion joes. No tomato base whatsoever in them. The items you are going to need is you need a pound of ground beef, a can of French onion soup, some all-purpose flour, some water, and salt and pepper. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to the stove and I'm going to brown this off and drain it, and then we'll be back for the next step. Okay, I want to tell you too, I decided to add a little bit of granulated garlic to it because, you know, I love my garlic. I don't think there's going to be much grease left in this. This is the grass-fed beef. I figured with the price of ground beef as high as it is, you might as well get this a good one. This is $4.98 a pound, but this was 80-20. So, all right, I'm gonna brown this up and drain it if I have to, and we'll bring you back. There you go. Okay, my meat is done, and I did have to drain it a little bit. All the measurements will be in the description box. I'm gonna add the flour, and I have 1/3 cup of water. I'll mix that up until it's smooth, because this will thicken it all up. Then to this you're going to add your can of soup, and it will be undiluted. And then get your finger stuck in it. I hope everybody's doing okay during the quarantine. Like I tell everybody, my life is no different than it was a year ago because Tony's still working. So alright, pour this in. This is the quickest meal ever. And you want to bring this to a boil, and it will thicken up. So, I know this has been the longest April of my life. You know, we lost little Jessie on the 15th. Well, a very dear friend of mine passed away on Saturday. She had cancer, and we knew it was coming, but you know, you're never really prepared for that. But I'm looking for a better May. Maybe it won't last 200 days like April has. So we're just having French fries with these tonight. This is a quick doomy meal. I actually saw this on Paula Deen, one of her old shows. Back when she was still with Food Network. And I thought, you know, Tony does not like tomato. I never knew he didn't like sloppy joes until recently, and I saw this and I'm like, you know, I think he'll like this, hopefully. If he doesn't, more for me. Now I'm gonna let this simmer for probably about 4 or 5 minutes, and we'll bring you back whenever it's all done, and we'll be plating everything up. See you in a minute. Okay, this thickened up good. Like I said, this is so quick. Oh, I meant to get some cheese out. Oh well. Man. It smells good. It smells really good. And you can put whatever fixings you want to on there. Whoops. I'm going to put these back in because my husband likes his crispy. So there you go. We've got French onion joes and French fries. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when every time I upload a video. And don't forget to share this out on your social media. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this. And if you try it, definitely. And give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Supper's ready. Bye.